Good afternoon, everyone. We just start the presentation. I am Hemant Rathi. I am working in Thomson since last 20 years in the industries. In Thomson, we are working three vertical. One is temperature sensors. Revenue come from temperature sensor is 53%. Then cable revenue is 33%, and heating solutions is 14%. We are having more than 600 employees and three global locations. We have manufacturing unit in India, Germany, and Indonesia. More than 75 countries we are exporting, and more than 6,500 customers. In temperature vertical, we have thermocouples, RTDs, thermovan, gauge, pyrometer, thermal imager, calibration equipment, furnace camera, fiber optic sensor, wireless sensors, and thermocouple and nickel conductors. In the cables, we have thermocouple RTD cables, high temperature insulation cables, special cables like solar cable and all, mineral insulated cable, instrumentation cables, and control cables, mainly LT cables we are doing up to 1.1 kV, and wires. In the heating system, we have cartridge heater, band heater, flexible heater, tubular heaters, bundle rod heater, process heater, and other heating solutions. In detail, we are seeing application. We are serving our product in steel industries from starting to mining to the finished products, like in the coke oven, sinter plant, blast furnace, DRI, steel melting shops, and heating furnace and rolling mills. In thermocouples, RTDs, in blast furnace, we are giving the blast sensors to blast furnace different kind of design, like Hertz thermocouples. Hertz thermocouple is little longer thermocouples. This is mineral insulated thermocouples with thermowell also, like 5 meters, 6 meter, or 30 meters. Then we have the RTDs for cooling wall RTDs and water temperature RTDs. Cooling water of furnace is very special RTDs we are making up to 110 accuracy. At 100 degree is accuracy is around 0.08 degree. Then blast furnace is a twin thermocouple. These twin thermocouple are mainly used in smaller furnace like mini blast furnace. This is the two level thermocouple. Then we have Hertz bottom thermocouples. In the Hertz bottom thermocouple, this kind of multi-point thermocouple. In one flange, more than 7, 6, 3 thermocouples are installed in different lengths. Stove dome application. In the stove dome application, 3 applications are there. One is the stove dome application, second is hot block application, third one is combustion chamber, sleek zone. In that we have 3 solutions. One is with K710, second is silicon carbide, third is Inconel bar stock with ceramic coating. This Inconel bar stock with ceramic coating, this is a low temperature like 1150 degree, mainly used in mini blast furnaces, and we are giving Inconel bar stock with ceramic coating. Then we have stove dome thermocouple with silicon carbide thermocouple. Outer sheet is silicon carbide, in the tube is KER, because the silicon carbide tubes are porous tubes. Inside is the KER710 tube. These are impervious tubes. These are gas tight tubes, and we are using very special arrangement here, the glass sealing. In case of ceramic tube break, the gas cannot be go outside. Same design is with the KER710. In the blast furnace, we have a special pyrometer for molten metal application. In that molten metal application, we are giving two color pyrometers, and we can install our pyrometer more than 40 meters. And this pyrometer can use for select temperature also. Then we have fiber optic pyrometer. In that fiber optic pyrometer, this for stove dome application. And very special arrangement for this. This is for thermal imager. We have thermal imager for 0 to 500 degree. This is used for predictive and preventive maintenance purpose of ladle and tow petrol car, mainly for safety purpose. We have a full range of compensating and instrumentation and control cable for blast furnace, compensating cables, and this type of cable, instrumentation cable. Different kind of design. We are making the cables as per the requirement. In the Coco One, both the Coco One process we are supplying. One is byproduct, means recovery Coco Ones. We are supplying our sensors, and non-recovery Coco Ones also we are supplying. In the non-recovery Coco One, we are giving the two layer of tubes like 24 by 12 or 20 by 12. We are giving high wall thickness tube in this application. Same in recovery Coco One. We have very special cells, R-type or S-type thermocouple, but is a very longer length, like 2.3 meter, 2 meters something. This is also high wall thickness tube we are using here. In the Coco One pyrometer, we are using optic pyrometer because of the atmospheric temperature little higher. This for the quenching car temperature measurement. Before water quenching, we put the pyrometer. Then we have a special pyrometer for Coco One. This is specialty is more than 4000 temperature can be stored. This is very interesting product. Is a PyroVan for Coco One. This is a substitute of thermocouple. Nowadays, this S-type, R-type, B-type elements are very costly. So we made this solution for that. This output is 4220 output, and looks like a thermocouple. Then we have full range of cable for Coco One. The BRI thermocouples, BRI plant direct reducing iron. We are supplying a lot of sensor in that. So mainly three kind of products are using here. One is the main thermobell. In the main thermobell, we are giving SS310, Inconel 600, 316, and different lengths as per the requirement of customer. Then we have the QRT. The QRT is the standard connector, heavy duty connector we are using, and Inconel 310, all kind of material we are giving. And this QRT, this protection tube also we are supplying. Same in the normal thermocouple. Is a normal response thermocouples is all kind of material like 316, 310, Inconel we are supplying, and different kind of OD and length protection tube, drill bar stop. We have the capability to drill single drill up to 1500 mm. We make very special cables for DRI up to 800 degree. The different insulation in that. We supplied in all plants like Tata, BSL, JSPL, Unta, everywhere. This is 16 square. This design is like inside of PVC, and we are using very high temperature mica taping. Because of the mica taping, inside temperature cannot. In the plate plant, both the processes we are supplying our sensors. This kiln-based plate plant and endurating furnace. Kiln-based plate plant, we are supplying S-type thermocouple as per the customer design, like with the silicon carbide, with the KER710, with inconel bar stop. Then P-type sensor, so different kind of design what customer required. Then endurating furnace. In the endurating furnace, people previously are using Kenthal Super. We changed this with the Kenthal Super. Kenthal Super tube was very costly, is more than 2 lakh rupees only tube. So we proposed this KER710 tube and results are good, and we are supplying last many years these kind of sensors, B-type and S-type sensors. For plate plant cooling bed, we offer the pyrometer EL50. Same thing for DRI also, we are supplying same pyrometer DRI cooling bed. Plate plant, we done a lot of project plate plants, the control and instrumentation cables. Load cell cable we are making. This mold and tenders thermocouples in continuous casting. Different kind of design, different plants we are giving. Like some of plant we are giving Vionut kind of arrangement for the mold thermocouple. Some places is a normal fitting we are supplying M8 thread. We develop very special mold thermocouple with the LEMO connector. The 10 days regular temperature measurement, we developed this sensor with the molybdenum tube KER710, and this original wire is 10 meter because the temperature, atmospheric temperature is very high to that. Then we demo recently this 10 days nozzle temperature measurement. The thermal imager, this thermal imager is a very special thermal imager, is 700 to 1800, is an online thermal imager. Preheating and reheating furnace, we have the solutions for thermocouples. Thermocouples, different kind of OD, different kind of length based on the furnace design. We are supplying like KER710 with the 15 mm OD, 24 mm OD, 20 mm OD, and 2 layer of ceramic inside the insulating tube. Then we have the solution for camera for reheating. We installed a lot of furnace camera. We have 750 mm and 1100 mm camera. If refractory thickness is higher, we are using 1100 mm camera. If low is the 750 mm camera. One installation photograph is there. This is camera is installed in the furnace. Inside view in the control room. Steel melting shop. Steel melting shop is the ladle preheating temperature. We are offering the pyrometer for ladle preheating temperature. This maybe 2 color, or some places we install the single color also. This ladle pouring time temperature, ladle pouring time temperature, or this blast furnace. Also, some mini blast furnaces are there, direct pouring in the ladle. So in that we are offering the 2 color pyrometer, special pyrometer IR cast 2C. S-type, R-type, B-type, the mineral, copper mineral insulated. This is used in the lance thermocouple, mainly used in auto lancing systems. Then we have the high temperature lance cables for S-type, B-type thermocouples. We supplied a lot of, this is a trailing cable in the SMS, from lance to your controller. This is a B-type trailing cable, OXT, is a 4 wire. Then continuous casting pyrometer, like we installed in one plant like 5 pyrometer, 5 continuous casting machine, 5 pyrometers. These are all are single color pyrometer we install. This are hot rolling. Hot rolling also, some places are smoke is using the two color pyrometer. Some places are clear is a single color pyrometer. Then wire rodding mill, rod mill, we have a special pyrometer for wire rod mill. Is a lower spot size, the fiber optic sensor. The TMT plant. In the lot of rolling mill, we are supplying with the OEMs or direct before pinching, water pinching, or after water pinching, two pyrometer they install. This is A250 pyrometer and A450 pyrometer. Then galvanizing line, we are giving the pyrometer is E150. Annealing furnace, the annealing furnace pyrometer is a single color pyrometer, and two color pyrometer also some places are using. Induction heating, we supplied lot of pyrometer in induction heating, mainly used in automobile sector. This before forging, they are using this. And heating solutions. In the heating solutions, we have different kind of heating solution in the steel plant, like oxygen plant, nitrogen plant. We supplied lot of tubular heater systems. In JSW blast furnace, we supplied JSW Salem and JSPL Raigad. SMS, we supplied lot of heating systems. Then rolling mill, this reading furnace, the bundle watt heater we supplied, heat treatment furnace we supplied, and different kind of solution for furnace oil system and others, and lot of other heating systems also, like hopper heating, this air heating, different kind of heating systems. Calibration and furnace. The calibration and furnace, we have the capabilities, the NABL accredited laboratories. We have 4 accredited laboratories. One is in Udaipur, one is in Baroda and Bangalore, and Indonesia, Jakarta we have. We have a 5 fixed point cell primary calibration system, and our capability of NABL is -196 to 1600 degrees. The contact type sensor and non-contact type sensor is -30 to 3000 degrees for the non-contact sensor. And we have the capability is the on-site calibration also up to 1200. We do QS SAT, the furnace, and we have the calibrators. Big range of calibrator we have. Is contact type -196 to 1600 degree, or more than 600 degree. We have the calibrators. Then non-contact black bodies, we are making -3 to 3000 degree calibrators. And laboratory furnace, our capability of laboratory furnace, we are making up to 1800 degree laboratory furnaces. Process furnaces, small process furnaces also we are making for annealing or heating of the job. Thank you.